Hi, this is Diane Cossey from DianeCossey.com. I'm also the creator of the Project Lifestyle Club, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brand mood board for your business. So before you dive into the rest of the course and start creating all of the different types of images you need for your business today, take a moment to create a brand mood board for your business to use for all the images you create after you go through the tutorials inside Canva Intelligence. So choosing your colors, fonts, image style, brand keywords and textures now will help you design everything you learn within the course better than if you skip this part and just dive in. So step number 1, select 3 colors that will form the basis of your brand. This will become your brand color palette. 3 colors will give you a whole variety of options when it comes to design. And if you think of your branding like you were wearing an outfit or decorating a room, you probably wouldn't wear more than 2 colors plus an accent color or decorate a room like a rainbow. Hence 3 is great and an easy way to start. So choose colors that resonate with you and your company in a style that you can live with for quite some time. Make sure that the 3 brand colors you choose are readily available. You'll see why a little later. And stick with at least one tried and tested color and understand its meaning. So what colors attract customers to buy? Well, red is the color of power. Blue can be viewed as trustworthy. Pink is, if you're vying for the attention of a young female demographic, that blush gold look is probably something that's very on trend and very appealing. And then what colors might influence people? So red creates a sense of urgency, hence, fast food, McDonald's, well, food in inverted commas. Fast food, McDonald's is red with a yellow M, creates a sense of urgency. Blue, the color preferred by men. Green, associated with health, tranquility, power and nature. Purple, commonly associated with royalty, wisdom and respect, and it is one of the most preferred colors for women. And then orange and yellow are cheerful colors that promote optimism. They also look great online and make for a great accent color. So don't overthink it and don't just choose a color just because it's supposed to attract money. It isn't as simple as that. Choose 2 main colors plus an accent color that brings everything to life. Use Pinterest to help you, give you some ideas by searching for brand mood board ideas, and you'll get something like this show up in the search. Step number 2, start collecting royalty-free images in your main colors. 3 of my favorite sources for royalty-free images are: number 1, Big Stock Photo. It's a paid for service, but the variety and selection is huge. Tip here, you can buy credit packs, which work out to be really good value if you only download the smallest size image, which is all you need for social media, for 1 credit each. Number 2, Unsplash is a fantastic free resource packed with amazing free images that you can use in lots of creative ways. And then, of course, Canva.com, that favorite graphic designing tool, is full of free images that you can use, including isolated ones and icons and all sorts of things that will help you brand yourself online. By building up your library of images in your brand colors, you will also have a media pack style image library to use as backgrounds for all your blog post title images, your social media updates, the events you run, and a whole host of other image-related branding options. Bonus tip, search for images by color for best results. For example, images with white desktop background or desktop scene with blue work better than just an item that matches your quote. And step number 3, now think about adding texture. Texture just makes everything just pop and stand out. Just like adding a shaggy rug or a scatter cushion to your plain carpet or sofa, some texture will lift everything on your website to a whole new level. So head back to your royalty-free images and start searching for wallpaper or backgrounds in one of your main colors. You'll be looking for high quality textured images like this one, and this one's a beautiful copper. Step number 4. Next up, define your brand keywords. So choosing your ideal client becomes much easier when you define them by words that have meaning to you. Your brand should be based on the same core values that you uphold as a human being in the beautiful world we live in. And if you honor them with your business, they will help you attract the exact type of client you want to work with. Here are some examples to start you thinking about what keywords will define you, your business, and your brand. So dependability, loyalty, commitment, open-mindedness, stylish, honesty, innovation, creativity, motivational, optimism, respect, fitness, courage, education, service to others. Choose 5 that resonate with you, your brand, and your mission. Step number 5, design your logo. Start with a Pinterest search for logo design inspiration or logo personal branding, and you'll see a ton of results, all aimed at helping you get your logo pulled together. Here's the key, and fast. I have seen people get so hung up on a logo that 6 months has gone by in their business while they're still in design mode. Like, what do you think of this one? What do you think of this one? Don't let that be you. You are the managing director or CEO of your business, and that makes you a decision maker. Do it the easy way by creating using Canva's logo creator tool. Use your Pinterest search to guide you on your design. Remember your brand color palette here. Don't deviate or start all over again just because you see a nice logo or two. You need to focus purely on the overall design and fonts. So contrasting fonts look great together, like a script and simple. Check out an awesome online resource. I'll leave a link below the video that allows you to play around with all sorts of fonts that contrast with each other. Just make sure style does not make the wording illegible, especially if you're using a script font. You can also use Canva to guide you when it comes to creating logos, as they have hundreds of examples you can choose from, and just simply edit them with your brand colors. Step number 6, find a quote that you love that motivates the heck out of you. What's that one quote that just resonates with you? The one that you look at when everything is going pear-shaped. It just makes you feel 100 times more determined than ever before to make that breakthrough you've been promising yourself. My guess is you already have one. But if you haven't, head over to Pinterest or Google and find one. Then add it to your collection of branded goodies and get ready to piece the whole thing together as you finally gather everything up and create your brand mood board. So step number 7, assemble your business brand mood board. Once you've made your final choices on everything, head back to canva.com, choose the A4 template from the documents section to work with. That way you can frame it easily and hang it on your office wall. Next, select a grid from Canva's templates and add images of various sizes to a grid template that looks a bit like this. Then simply add all your images, textures, fonts, logos, keywords, and that one amazing motivational quote into the boxes, just like you were creating a vision board. When you're next to IKEA, pick up a picture frame and hang it on a wall in your office where you can see it all the time. It will help you design everything from your social media updates to your new business card and more. So congratulations, you've done it. Now, let's get you going with the rest of the course, Canva Intelligence, how to start branding your business like a pro. It's available from courses.projectlifestyleclub.com. There'll be a link below the video. Take care, see you in the next one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up in the box below the video. Share it with your friends if you think it's going to help them too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips just like this coming your way each and every week. Take care. See you in the next video.